Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here inside this box, and pretty much what it is a product that is similar to a hydro flask, but let's open up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. So when we first open the package, you guys can see that there's a product inside, so let's take it out first. So if you guys can see right here, this is the product itself. Label hydro flask and everything looks legit. If you guys can see, that's what it looks like in the bottom. Has the same kind of design for the drinking part, you guys can see right here, so you can push it up and drink your coffee, water, or whatever. Have a nice little ring finger option right here if you guys want to use that. Opening up the hydro flask itself is a little bit harder than the regular hydro flask, not like the original hydro flask, but everything looks pretty much the same, you guys can see. So if you guys remember last time I tested similar products that are insulated products, I told you guys that the only way to find out how well it works is to either put in hot water or cold water and test it out, which we'll do in a second. But the second way of actually testing out is by putting your ear next to the product to hear that kind of echo. If it doesn't echo, then that means it won't be fully insulated. If it does echo, you guys hear like the wave or something, then it actually is insulated. So let's give it a try. So I do hear like that cave echo kind of feeling when I use the product, which is pretty amazing. So that's how we know that actually is insulated. But like I said, we're gonna go through the test of the using hot water and cold water. So let's go do that first and then come back and talk more about the product. Alright, so here we have the product. We're gonna test it out to see how well the insulation is on the product. So we're gonna put in some hot water. Rinse everything off first. Put some hot water inside. Alright, that should be enough. So when I hold the outside of the product, it is super hot. So the water itself is really hot, so that's the reason why. But it's not hot to the point where I can't carry it, if you guys can see, because usually if you guys hold like a regular cup of hot water, it will start burning your hand already, but you guys can see that my hand is fine and everything. In terms of the insulation, you guys can see that the steam is still coming out, so it's actually keeping the water really warm. You guys probably don't want to drink your sink water though, because you guys can see that it's not clean water. So you guys want to make sure you guys are using clean water and everything. Oh, and one thing I want to mention, if you guys saw in the bottle, you guys can see that the bottle itself is quite water resistant. So let me turn on some water and show you guys what I mean. So you can see that the water just comes off really easily. You guys can see it doesn't stick on. So if you guys wanted to, you guys can put on like stickers and whatnot, which is pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product, you can see that actually does work. I've kept it a little bit longer to see how long it kind of lasts with the heat and everything. So I left it for around like 2 hours, insulating the product and everything, and it was still hot. The drink itself was actually still hot, which is pretty awesome. But if you guys put cold water in here, it will actually keep it cold or hot, depending on what you guys put inside the bottle itself. So I actually ordered one of these products in the past from Amazon for around like $45 or something around that range. And that's actually really expensive for a bottle if you guys think about it, but it is a high quality bottle. So I did some searching for each product to see if there's a better deals elsewhere, and I found out on Wish they actually have a much better deal. If you guys look at it, it looks exactly the same, and the color scheme for the product itself is actually much better. So I'm not sure if this is from the same brand and everything, but if you guys see the logo and everything is all the same. One thing I did notice is the kind of lid itself is a little bit hard to open, but it is leak proof, which is pretty awesome. But if this product is legit, just exactly like the actual hydro flask that you guys buy from the company website or from Amazon, then this is probably a better deal, because like I said, I got this for around like $24 compared to $44 in Amazon. So it's like a $20 difference. It's just the shipping time takes a little bit longer compared to Amazon. Like on Amazon, you guys can probably get it within like 2 days. This one you can get it within like 2 to 3 weeks. I got this product before 2 weeks, so that's pretty fast for products they can buy from Wish. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So like how I mentioned, if this is from the same company that made the hydro flask bottle itself, and it's selling for $20 cheaper than the actual product itself, then obviously this product will be really worth it if you guys want one or need one. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have